Students, good morning and welcome back for the new topic that is bringing up Kari. This is the second lesson of our book, and Kari is the name of an elephant. It is a 5 months old baby elephant and lives and grows up with his 9 year old friend and keeper. Keeper is called at here as a writer. He lived with his friend that is 9 year old, and he is a writer. Kari does not eat much. Kari doesn't eat much, just about 16 kilograms delicious twinks a day. It means at here that Kari eat daily 16 kilograms of delicious twink. Twink is a tender part of a plant that eat in a day. Playful and sensitive, Kari saves a boy and from drowning. So at here, the Kari is a very playful pet and he is very sensitive. And Kari saves a boy's life. Firstly, he is drowning. Who is drowning at here? A boy. And the Kari, the elephant, at here I'm saying you, the Kari is the name of an elephant, was 5 months old. Kari is an elephant, he is 5 months old when he was given to me to take care of it. The writer says to us that when he is took him firstly, it is 5 months here, 5 months old. I was 9 year old. Who is 9 year old? The writer. And I could reach his back if I stood on tiptoe. Who is saying it here? The writer says us. If he stood on his tiptoe, tiptoe means in the top front of the toe. If he stood with him with the toe help of toes and he reached for the Kari's back, he seems to remain that high for nearly 2 years. At here, the writer says us that they are seems equal for the 2 years. We grew together means at here Kari and writer grow together, and that is probably why I never found out just how tall he was. So due to that, he think that we both are equally grown, and he could not find how he grew tall, and he lived in a pavilion. To who live means Kari live in a pavilion. Pavilion is a ground where under the thatched roof, that is the straw roof, means it is made of straw, and which rested on thick tree stumps. Stumps means it is a long sticks of a tree so that it could not fall, means that thatched is not fall when Kari bumped against the pole. If he is moving here and there, who is moving means Kari is moving here and there. That time if his bump is against the thatched, it is not fell. And one of the first thing Kari did was to save the life of a boy. I am told you first thing is did by the Kari, that is to save the life of a boy. Kari did not eat much, means Kari does not eat too much, but he nevertheless needed 40 pounds of twigs. I am told you twigs is the tender part of an plant, that he is eating a tender part of plant, that is 40 pounds a day. He chew and play with to him to play with the writer. And every day I used to take him to the river in the morning. Who took the Kari to the river? So writer took him to the river daily in the morning for his bath. For which purpose he took to the river means to do the bath, and he would lie down on the sand bank. So where he lay down on the sand bank is called the shore of seashore. When I rubbed him with the clean sand of the river for an hour. How much time he is used? An hour to rub him, and after that he would lie in the water for a long time. When the writer rubbed him with the sand, he went into the water and for a long time. On coming out, his skin would be shining like ebony. Ebony is the name of a plant. So his skin means Kari's skin look like Kari's skin would be shining like ebony, and he would scare with the player. He look like he is very player to saw that when he come out with the water. I rubbed water down his back, and I am also at here. The writer told us that he rubbed with the water of his back. Then I would take him by the ear, means I pluck his ear, and it is a very comfort to carry an elephant with his ear, because that is the easiest way to carry the elephant, and leave him the edge of the jungle. And after that he took him by the ear, and he leave him in the edge of the jungle. While I went into the forest to get the luscious is tasty, delicious twigs. Twig is a part of a tender plant. A plant's tender part is called the twigs. And for his dinner, it is if he's I went into the forest, means the writer went into the forest for the luscious, for tasty twigs he collect for his dinner. One has to have a very sharp edge. Edge is called an axe, small axe. Without axe, does not cut the twigs. To cut down these twigs, it takes half an hour. Means it takes the half an hour to cut down these hedges. And because it twigs multilated, an elephant will be touch it. Means when the elephant is playing with it and easily eat it, and it is not an easy job to get twigs and spellings for Kari. I had to climb all the kind of trees to get the most delicate and tender twigs, and I went to I climbed up lot of plants to collect the tender twigs for the Kari. As he was very fond of the young branches, the banyan tree, which grows like a cathedral of leaves and branches, and when he is young, he found of a lot of young branches of a banyan tree to grow like a cathedral leaves and branches. When the banyan tree grows, it should be going the branches. I was gathering some, I am collecting some, and on one spring day, spring is the name of a season in the March month, when I suddenly heard Kari calling to me. When I am on the tree, I heard a sound of a Kari. It is suddenly I heard Kari calling to me. I heard calling by the Kari to me, and it is in the distance, as he was still very young. When the Kari is still young, the call was more like that of baby than an elephant. Means it is from distance of me, and more like that of a baby than an elephant. I thought somebody was hurting him. I think when he is crying, and he is crying, that time I think somebody hurting him. So I came down from my tree, and I ran very fast to the edge of the forest. I am run very fast. I am in the middle of the forest. I am run to the edge of the forest where I had left him to him, where I had left him at here for the Kari, and but he was not there, but he was not there. Who is not there? Kari is not there. So read it carefully and understand it. Tomorrow we will discuss again this topic. Thank you. Have a nice